Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check and change Instagram chat theme. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that we need to click on our chat. And after that, click on name of our group. After that, click theme. And here you can choose absolutely any theme on your choice. For example, and that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.